Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner and Hoover chums, how are you today? This 1334A has come out so well. I know you saw it during the reassembly video, so you've got an idea of what the hood's come out like and how it all looks inside. This is brilliant. I don't have to turn it upside down much and go, come on, look how tidy under there is, because you've seen it. You have seen it. So I thought we'd stick a bag in the old girl and get her straight to work, and actually I'm going to change the height because it was in position 2 for the deep bar carpet, which you did a really good job on, but it sounds so much better on this old carpet. Oh yeah, I turned it off at the switch. I mean, it's just really, really good, surprisingly good even. It's even still pretty well matched. Two machines with over twice its suction power. This is a 250 watt machine, as we can tell from its gleaming ratings plate, and I still haven't dated it yet. It's definitely, obviously being an A, it'll be the mid-60s. And yeah, look, there's no more tide mark of fadedness around it. I painted the back of the clip that holds that on just because it was a tad rusty. And that's it. Everything else has just been cleaned, polished and buffed, and even the brush roll got its mandatory, as you saw when we put it together, repaint with genuine, much better than before, Hoover brush strips fitted. But yeah, that's not the most exciting part about this machine. You see, the good thing about this machine is that if we take the belt cover off, we can fit a belt lifter. Not fully correct, but it fits. We can then get a hose, which I spent a day cleaning after a couple of days soaking. We can get that and push it into the adapter. I won't turn it, you don't need to turn it. Listen to how long the motor winds down without the brush roll slowing it up. So yeah, we can put a nice hose on there. And obviously with our nice hose we can get two nice extension ones, and then, well, perhaps a dusting brush in almost mint condition. How about a floor and wall brush in equally slightly almost mint condition? Look at that. A nice upholstery tool with the rubber doodahs on the back. The other style of dusting brush, the flat one, again, barely a mark on it. And finally, a crevice tool, which has hardly seen any use at all, and normally these are the tools that come out worst on these machines. I mean, they're not great, but then again, they're not bad either. And being a dirty fan cleaner, of course, the first thing that the dirt gets when it enters the machine is the fan. So with some crunchy bits like this, but of course, being a dirty fan machine, you don't want to start putting things like plastic beads up it, because it won't, I don't think, be able to push them up. It managed to do it. The eagle-eyed amongst you might have noticed that this is not actually the correct tool adapter for the 1334. It is actually more designed for this generation, the 1436, 1346, whatever it is, because it goes on and grabs the belt. It says, failing to grab the belt on it. I've had to bend a little bit of metal in it to make it fit the other machine. There we go. It fits. It just fits this generation more, and the suction's still pretty good. I don't know if it will struggle equally as much with some little plastic beads or not. No, it doesn't seem to struggle at all. Remember which way round it is. There we go. Oh. Ah, no, there we don't go. Hello? There's a bit of cardboard, look. Oh, that won't do it much good. So yeah, the tools fit both, and yeah, I think ultimately will be used for both, but I think they are ultimately 1346 tools. And yeah, for those of us who care about these things, I wonder what they sound like. Bear in mind, these are both 100% original, bar their brush roll bearings and belts. Everything else will be 100%. They're probably also on the same height setting as well. white plastic beads through their brush-on orifices. But this one sounds a lot smoother and lower. Than this one. And I can't show what the wattage is on this. I think it's only 250 watts as well, and I'm sure they're the same components, so obviously something's made it sound like it spins slightly faster, but the handle bails, look, give it a shake and it flops, but it seems okay if you're careful. Anyway, it's not your video, go away. We need to say farewell to this. So, there we go, really. After video of my 1334A. This cost me not a lot of money actually, at all. And I think ultimately it will be up for sale if I've not sold it by the time this video goes out. Who knows, I might sell it by then. But I just think it's nice, it's lovely. I'm going to enjoy having it around, and I do have some bits that I need it for. So it's certainly not going anywhere straight away. And yes, it's even better that, again, as much as it doesn't fully go with it, it fits enough that I can say that I have a very nice tool set. Apparently I've accidentally made, because I only went through the shed, I think it should have only really come with possibly, want to say those tools are the standard, you know, bog standard junior toolkit. I then just accidentally made it into a super deluxe. I posted this on the American orientated hoovering Facebook group, and they're very confused because they didn't think this was sold in the UK with all of these tools. It wasn't. I just went through the shed and got out all of my really good tools, all of my extra good ones. I just squeezed the bag as well. Crikey, that's a bit bulbous at the back. I'll give that a quick empty and put that bag back on because it'll only have sawdust and hammer beads in it and be absolutely fine. So yes, a very good end video on this Hoover Junior fortnight, one that I'm very happy to have done because it was looking a bit tatty. I also swapped the plug, as you saw, and fitted a beautiful white MK that I have been saving for this machine. Look at that, only a little bit of wear in the top part. Everything else is in very good order. The brown one I kept, that's in the drawer because that will fit a more darker machine should I ever have the need. So yes, there we go, my £15 1334A. I think I have polished and greased and oiled and hammered way more value into it now, and yeah, certainly a good opportunity to get this done during Junior Week. So stay tuned, still a few more bits and pieces to go before I can say that I'm done with all of my Hoover Juniors. So until the next video, which is tomorrow, I thank you very much for watching. Hope you did enjoy, and I and this will see you soon. Bye bye.